If your sunflower looks like a math problem, you're a nature nerd. And that's awesome. It's called the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each one is the sum of the two before it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. You can find it in sunflower seeds, pine cones, and even seashells. The patterns help plants pack seeds efficiently or grow symmetrically. And it's not just plants. Spiral galaxies and hurricanes also follow this math. It's like the universe loves patterns. Nature and math perfectly in sync. Want to learn more cool facts? Subscribe to Bite Wonders for bite-sized wonders.